pictures were actually interesting. So I would take on to what you have started with, a very famous movie तारे ज़मीन पर. इसका जो एक्टर था everybody knows आमिर खान. आमिर खान की ही एक और बहुत अच्छी मूवी in which he said कि आज किसी ने ये सोचा कि क्लास में जाएंगे, मजा आएगा, कुछ नया करेंगे. किसी ने ये सोचा, which is this movie?
Three Idiot.
Three Idiots. Perfect.
Very good, Ronali.
तो how many of you actually thought कि आज के वेबिनार में जाते हैं, कुछ नया सुनेंगे और कुछ मजा आएगा? और अगर नहीं सोचा है तो अभी सोचो. I'll give you only 10 seconds. Why? If anybody is there around you, or if you can go in and grab just 4 things for yourself. I want a pencil, paper, scissor and band-aid. 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 I am clear, no? Yeah, आज मैं सबको डॉक्टर बनाने वाली हूँ. We will do online surgery. So I want pencil, paper, scissors and band-aid. You can ask anyone who is there around you, or if you can go and get it, grab it. Shall I start? 10, 9, 10 seconds, 8.
Is there any alternative to that band-aid?
No, because we're going to do surgery. So I cannot do stitches here online. So I thought this as a better option rather than doing it with, okay, if you don't have band-aid, yes. If you have a sellotape, maybe at home, वो तो easily available होता है. A sellotape is okay with me. Yes, perfect. Aryan has it. Pen or pencil, but pen, paper, scissor, band-aid. Pen, paper, scissor, band-aid. Just like stone, paper, scissor.
तो वही मैं बताने वाली थी.
Can everyone come on video, please? I am personally very much excited to hear what Preeti has in store for us.
Band-aid, B-A-N-D-A-I-D, band-aid, yes.
Can everyone come on screen, please?
It is actually going to be fun. Don't worry about the track pant and t-shirts you're in. Please don't worry about it. It is the creativity, your own creativity. You thought of wearing this. So that's completely okay. Even we are in the same attire. We all are in the same. Yes, all of you are ready with paper, pen, band-aid, scissor. Though I will come to this after 10 minutes, but I wanted all of you to be ready with this. Thank you. Thank you for showing it to me. Thank you so much. So coming back to your question, as you said, Sarbari, I should initiate about the topic creativity as we are discussing about that. First of all, everybody should know, as you just now, you showed a few pictures to us, people are drawing in that movie. So basically, most of the people also think that creativity is only drawing and craft. So for everyone to know, what is creativity? Is it important? If it is important, why is it important? And how can you help children to develop it? Now, this is what we have come here to understand, and to actually understand for all the educators that how can you actually include creativity in your classroom. Now, if you see, and all of us have experienced this from a 1-day-old baby till whatever age the people are in this life, especially in 2020, we all have seen that things are actually changing so rapidly in today's world, and there is lots and lots of new information available just on a click. There are new problems that everybody is facing. So if problems hai, to solution bhi hoga. So problem solving skills come in. And then there are challenges faced by the global world. So no longer we can go through a book and find the answer. ऐसे पहले के ज़माने में होता था कि book खोलो और answer find करो. It's not like that. Everybody has actual life problems, and that is where these life skills come in. You have to face it. You have to deal with it. So better be acquired. I mean, you can acquire those skills. And yes, so the question was very rightly asked in the beginning that whether are we born with life skills? No, we are not. We are absolutely not. We can acquire it, and we can do it as much as we want. We should be doing that, in fact. And why this creativity is important, as I said, why? Because anything that happens to you, it affects the rest of the world. And if anything is happening to the world, it affects to you as an individual. So for that, creativity is important because each individual is different. So each one has their own creativity. So come out, unleash your creativity and show the world. Okay, when we were small in our school times, we were taught about modes of transportation. All of you must be knowing that, right? Modes of transportation, what are they?
Roadways, railways, waterways.
Very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. Right answer. So 10 on 10. Sarvari and Rama, if they can get some
Yeah, yeah.
certificate for this,
Yes,
10
I'll
on
note
10.
down the names.
Very good. And okay, secondly, we have also heard about what are the modes of communication. वो भी हमने पढ़ा है अपने स्कूल में. Yeah, what are the modes of communication?
Telephone,
Telephone. Very good.
Newspaper.
Yes.
internet, news.
Newspaper.
Correct. I get such a cute
Email.
voice. So sweet.
Samruddhi.
Yes. So sweet. Okay, so we all know about modes of transportation. We know about means of communication. Do we know modes of creativity? Has anybody taught us that? Do we know means of creativity? हमको creativity create करो ये इतना hamper होता है. This word is so much bombarded on us. But do we know what are the means of creativity? I mean, means of transport, means of communication, all of you answered so quickly. But when the question is, what are the means of creativity? We start thinking. So basically, to start
It can be art, craft, draw, or the sculpture. Not only that, writing a poem is also a creativity. Writing story. I
Yes.
feel teaching is one of the creativity where you can actually create children.
Yes, perfect. So to start with the terms or about जैसे आप लोगों ने बोला कि roadways, motorways, airways. Similarly, even creativity has these kinds of means and modes, and those are flexible thinking, exceptional ideas, and extraordinary thinking. I repeat, flexible thinking, exceptional ideas, and extraordinary way of thinking. Now, how will you instill this? How will you inculcate this in the learners or in your children at home? So what do you have to do is you should allow your children, you should allow your learners to actively produce ideas. Accept their ideas. Allow them to invent or make something for the first time. Allow them to come up with their unique and different ways of expressing their thinking. Only when you allow them to certain things, they will come up with creative ideas. So you have to only make one mantra for yourself, and that is make the creative act meaningful for them. Now, creative act is not only about drawing and craft, whatever the creative ideas or whatever creative things they are doing at home. So make that act of theirs meaningful to them. You need to give them assurance that whatever they are doing is right and is accepted. That is what all I have to say about what is creativity and how to instill them in young learners. So today we are going to do a new surgery, and that is contraction surgery. Contraction surgery. I repeat the third time, contraction surgery. Okay, we have someone already with a mask here. So we have doctor online as well. Because as it is, we are doing a surgery. You can also wear your mask. Actually wear your mask and let us do this surgery online. When I say contraction surgery, what was it that came to your mind? What is contraction? I'm talking about a grammar that is used in English, contraction words.
I'm squeezing something.
Oh, okay. Just because the word
Reduction?
is contract. Yes, yes, correct.
A reduction, because we say expand and contract. So like contraction is like reduction, I would say.
Correct. You're almost close. You're close.
The process of becoming, making it smaller.
Yes, very good, very good. Acha, why I am saying is, why I am coming with this activity is for the parents and for the teachers to know that everything can be done with creativity in classroom. We just go in the classroom, write on the board, copy this, write an example. So we expect that the child should know, but this is not the case. How excited you were at the age of 30, 35, 40, or whatever your age is on the screen when I asked you to get a scissor and a band-aid. You were excited. Imagine if you do the same thing in your classrooms, how excited will the children be? First of all, you will be definitely telling them that we are going to do this the following week. So for the entire week, they will be with the excitement that what is it that the teacher is going to do with us. So now I ask all of you to write one word on your papers. Did not. Did not. All of you have written did not. Can I see on the screen?
You can put a thumbs up.
Aryan, thank you so much for wearing your masks. Very good. So all of you have written did not. Very good. So I want you to cut the letter O. Just the letter O. So D-I-D-N goes on one side and T. Cut the letter O. So now you will show me 2 sheets of paper in your hand. One will be with DIDN and the other one is T. Am I right? Are you with me? चलो इतनी देर हम जख्म खुला नहीं रख सकते. You have already cut. Now we have to put a band-aid on it. Done. DIDN and T on one side. Now what you have to do is you have to join these two, and now where you will put your band-aid, wherever the cut is. So DIDN, put a band-aid and join that T to it. So what is the word now? Didn't, correct. So this is what one of the just activity that I have shared. You can teach apostrophe marks to your children in the class this way. So this band-aid is working as an apostrophe mark. सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी से है बहुत छोटी बात, लेकिन सब लोग इसी में ही गलती करते हैं. When they write ma'am, MAAM, ma'am, सब लोग MAM लिख देंगे, या so MADAM, madam, you're removing the word D from it, right? So put an apostrophe mark there. Whatever word you have cut, the apostrophe mark goes there. It is so simple. Don't complicate it, and don't write MAM, ma'am. It is MAAM, ma'am. With the apostrophe, where will the apostrophe come in, ma'am?
MA''am.
Correct. And why?
Because the D is...
because the D is no more, and you want to join the word back. So you have actually stitched it with a band-aid, that is with an apostrophe. So there are different ways of, now tell me, will you ever forget this, where to put an apostrophe? And we just did this in 4 minutes. And in a session of 30 minutes, if you're able to explain the child in the class in just 4 minutes, imagine with what interest they will be solving the entire page of grammar book. Because now they know, and they are more excited now to do. How do we do next? So this is what creativity is all about. You just have to be backstage. Itna kaam karo that you make interesting. In the classroom should be interesting. The class should be interesting. Children should be looking forward to when this teacher will come to our class. Am I correct? So can I see a thumbs up from all of you? Thank you. Thank you. I want to see all the virtual thumbs up. I will immediately take a screenshot. Yes, I'll immediately take a screenshot of so many thumbs up on the screen. This is such a motivation and encouragement for the speaker, isn't it, Mr. Mayur? I get 2 thumbs up. Just like how children get smileys and stars. So we are happy with all these thumbs up of yours.
So we
Thank
also
you
want
so
a
much.
applause from Radhika.
Thank you. Thank you. So that was the reason why I asked you. I wanted to show you a live example that how can you make your classes creative. And we are all here, Rama and Sarbari. If anybody wants they can come up with any topic. They can come via you, through you, and we can, give them whatever they are looking forward to. Have you ever written a biography? Biography, basically we are asked to write biography in which grade? In grade 6, 7, I guess.
Yes.
The parents here and if the students here, have you written a biography? So how was it that you started writing a biography? You must have definitely read about few biographies so that you can write something, right? So this is what actually at the adolescence age, what happens is, yes, they have their own mindset. So for the teacher, for the educator, and for the parent, I would say, I will again come to that creativity act of mine in the classroom that I always do. Even I had this thing of making children write a biography. I didn't tell them anything how to write a biography. I didn't ask them to write a biography by themselves. I just told them, go to the admin department, go to the accounts department, go to the principal of the school, go to the peon of the school and ask them about their life and come back and write down in the class. Done. They learned how to write a biography. So these things you can also do with children, those who are in 6th and 7th grade. They definitely have a mindset. That is why make them do creative things. Once you make them do creative things, they will definitely listen to you. So whether you are a parent or an educator, they will definitely. So for everybody to know that we all know that we have to survive and we all have to become successful teachers. So, but then to become successful in our lives and to survive in the education field, we need to make creative thinkers. We need to manufacture. So to actually make creative thinkers, you need to see that you have a bunch of children, those who are unique. Each one is unique. So give them some uniqueness to do in your, I mean, you should come up with some unique ideas and give them that assurance that their creative ideas are not declined. They will be accepted. And by this way, what you will be doing is you are giving them chance to explore, you are giving them chance to come with multiple solutions, and that is what is required. That is what we are seeing in today's world. सब लोगों को ये पता है कि 21st century skills क्या है. All of us know. I guess all of us know about what are the 4 C's. Yes? Who will answer to me? Who will answer for this? What are the 4 C's of 21st century skills? Come on, creativity is one of it. And ये तो बहुत simple सा question है.
Which are the 4 C's, the 21st century skills?
Yes,
the 4 C's,
C's of 21st century skills. So I will give you a hint. It is all starts with C. Yes, communicate, correct.
Competition.
No.
Healthy competition.
No. Okay, no problem. I guess we are taking up too much of time. I can answer to this question. Yes.
Creativity,
critical
curiosity,
thinking and
consistency,
collaboration, if I'm
and-
not very wrong.
Very good, Agnideep. Agnideep, you are very much correct. You are very much correct. It is communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. This all of us know, and we all of us are into the 21st century skills सीखना है. But when we come to adults, we again tell them 21st century skills सीखना है, लेकिन ये आएगा कहाँ से? What is it like? ये आएगा कहाँ से? So for them to know, along with knowing the 4 C's of 21st century skills, it is also important to know the 5 characteristics of creativity. Have you heard about the 5 characteristics of creativity? Actually, maybe I think majority of the people must not have heard, because everybody knows only this word, that we need to be creative. So how to be creative? For that, 5 characteristics are important, and I guess and those are flexibility. If you give that flexibility to your child in the class, and that is of course the key characteristic, because it actually involves a mindset that suggests that there may be more than a single answer or a solution to any problem in the world. And secondly, you have to ignite a sense of curiosity in the class. That is again the second characteristic of being creative. Maintain a positive attitude in the classroom, give them strong motivation and determination, and ask them to be fearless. That is where comes in that creativity, as if there is no box. I actually believe about this. I was talking to Sarbari and Rama also other day, that I believe in that as if there is no box. So be fearless, give wings to your imagination, have boundless imagination and thinking. Then you have to come back in the boundaries and write whatever you have thought about. But before writing, just sky is the limit and go beyond is what I would to say. Only then creativity will come in. It will sink in. Once it is in you, it will touch the world. It will touch the universe for sure.